హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు టెక్ఘర్ తెలుగు ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఛానల్ నేమ్ అయితే చేంజ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. టెక్ఘర్ తెలుగు ఛానల్. ఈ టెక్ఘర్ తెలుగు అనే నేమ్తో ఇంకా ఛానల్ అయితే కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది. ఇంకటి నుంచి ఎవ్రీ వీక్లీ 2-3 వీడియోస్, లాంగ్ వీడియోస్ అయితే పోస్ట్ చేస్తుంటాను. అండ్ షార్ట్ వీడియోస్ 4-5 షార్ట్ వీడియోస్ అయితే పోస్ట్ చేస్తుంటాను. మీరు ఎవరైనా నా ఛానల్ కొత్తగా వచ్చినట్లయితే రెడ్ కలర్లో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అని ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. పక్కనే బెల్ ఐకాన్ వస్తుంది, దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయడం ద్వారా నేను చేసే ప్రతి ఒక్క వీడియో మీ నోటిఫికేషన్గా పొందొచ్చు. Friends, this video is related to the Linux, but this is not continuation for the previous video. In this video, we will see how to install any Linux server to our Oracle VM. For this, we need a automation tool called Vagrant. It is an open source tool that helps the automation of a creation and management of a virtual machines. First of all, open any browser, search for Vagrant, and here click on this Vagrant by Hershey Crop and click on download. At present I am downloading this Vagrant tool in Windows. I'll provide this link in the description. You can download from there also, and here click on download. The file will automatically download here. I already downloaded. I am cancelling this. Now open the downloaded file. Go to downloads. Here's the Vagrant tool. Double click on this and click on here checkbox and click on install. After installing this Vagrant tool, we need to restart our system. Now the installation is completed. Click on finish. Now my system is restarted. Now we need to use command prompt or git. I'm using git. I'm entering into any one drive. I entered into the C drive. Now here we need to create a directory, mkdir vagrant underscore vms. Now change the directory into vagrant vms. Now here now I am installing ubuntu server. I am creating a directory with the name of ubuntu. Change into the ubuntu directory. Now open any browser, search for Vagrant Cloud, hit enter and click on first link. I'll provide this link in the description. Here you can search whatever you want. If you want CentOS, and search and hit enter. Type here CentOS and hit enter, and you can see the images, the ISO images, CentOS. Now I am installing Ubuntu, and I type here Ubuntu and hit enter. The Ubuntu related images are in the below. If you want this any, you can click, you can open this, and I am going to next. At present I am installing this first Ubuntu Bionic 64, this image. Click on this. This is the Vagrant file. If you just come to git bash, just type Vagrant. This is the Vagrant help commands. This is the common commands. If we get this, Vagrant is successfully installed in our system. Now click on new, and now initialize. Now execute this command. This command, why we use this command means this command will initialize the Ubuntu server from locally to the Oracle VM. Okay, now I am executing this command. Right click, paste and hit enter. Now here the vagrant file is created. Okay, now execute this vagrant app. Now we need to execute this vagrant app command. If we execute this, automatically the ubuntu server will automatically install in our VM virtual box. Here, see here, bringing bringing mission default up with the virtual box provider. It is automatically creating. Now if we open Oracle VM, you can see here, this is the Ubuntu. Here Ubuntu server is running. Here the Ubuntu server is initializing in locally, and this installation took effect in Oracle VM. Wait for some time. Now the server is successfully installed. If we go here and select this particular server and click on show, here the server is ready to use now. Here the username, if you see here, here SSH username Vagrant, username and password both are same, Vagrant. Hit enter by entering the username. Now enter password. Password is invisible. Now the server is ready. If you give IP space A, you can see here, you can see 10.0.2.5. This is a private IP. By using this this IP, we are unable to connect from putty to this server. Now we need to change some settings. Here the cursor is stuck in the VM. To come out, click on right control. Click on right control. The mouse will appear, and go to VM. Here click on settings. Now come to network. Here this is the default network adapter. This is the NAT adapter. Now change into the bridged adapter. Click on bridged adapter and click on OK. Now go to reboot the server now. Reboot. It is rebooting. If we change the network adapter to bridged network, the IP for this Ubuntu server comes from our Windows server. Our Windows system is a physical server to this virtual server. From the physical server, the IP will assign to the physical server. Virtual server. Now Vagrant. If you issue IPA, you can see here the public IP. You can see the public IP here, 192.168.8.102. Now come to the putty and give that public IP here, 192.168.8.102. If you open and here click on accept, try to log in with this Vagrant user. It's showing no supported authentication methods available. Now we need to do some changes in the server. In the SSH configuration file, we need to do some changes. Now switch the user into root user. At present, Vagrant is a normal user, ordinary user. Now we need to switch over to the root user. Sudo space su space hyphen. Now we are in root. Open vi/etc/sshd/sshd_config. Hit enter. Now come down here. Here permit root login. we need to enter here yes. This is it is in prohibited password. Now give yes here, and if you come down here, password authentication, no, and give yes here. Now save the file. Now restart the service. Restart the SSH service restart SSH, hit enter. Sorry, service SSH restart. Now the service is restarted. Now again go to the server, go to the putty, and here automatically right click here and click on restart session. Now give the username. It will allows you to log in from the putty. Now we are unable to log in from the putty to our virtual server. By using Vagrant tool, Vagrant Cloud, we will install our Linux server automatically. If you like the content, please do comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please do share, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.